That's when the other girl got loose and the two officers were down. I had gotten off my bike now and I saw her coming and I was ready to jump on her at any moment because he had to catch up and she had full access to her gun, one of the officers. Right. That's what I was worried about.
You guys can fly. She got crazy irate, grabbed one of these plastic signs, displays, and threw it, hit her right in the top of the nose, and then we had a TSA tight agent, heard the commotion, and when he started turning around, they came this way, saw the thing flying and hitting her in the face.
On January 24th, 2023, an airport ticket counter dispute in Miami ended in a felony arrest. Both women faced felony-level charges, yet each was released on just a $500 bond. That gap between the charges and the bond amount starts with how Florida law defines the offense.
Here when happened? Here, why don't you step over here a second? Here.
I heard the commotion riding back out right here. I think she threw some of the plexiglass or her phone. I'm not sure exactly. I just know the girl go, ah, and then blood.
Okay.
And then they were raising Cain. Okay. Two females. I did take a picture or a video. I didn't get this, which I wish I would have, but I was more worried about
watching it and
making sure everything was right. And the reason why, because it almost got out of hand. The officers approached rather gently, if you ask me. They approached smartly, but let's calm this thing down. So they did a good job there. The one girl was just off the hook. The one with the colored hair in the, let's see, so I can reference the girls and you'll know who's who.
You had one in pink?
Yeah, she's the second girl. So this is the second girl. This is the first girl that caused the biggest commotion right there.
Okay.
So the one in the pink was causing the commotion, but not at first. She spun out, she bled off the other girl, she saw it going off. Get off my friend, get off my friend. You know what I mean? Going off, dropping F-bombs. That's because two officers approached her because she's out of control. Then she got out of control and he tried to approach her and then calm her down and then she was like, don't touch me, I ain't done nothing wrong. So he was kind of like a little passive, which is fine.
Okay.
Then they smartly moved her out of here and she's going crazy and spazzing out and they had to put her down to the ground at some point. I was like, they need to put her down. They were too nice on us. Yeah. That's when the other girl got loose and the two officers were down. I had gotten off my bike now and I saw her coming and I was ready to jump on her at any moment because he had to catch up and she had full access to her gun, one of the officers. Right. That's what I was worried about, so that's why I stayed. Normally I get the hell out of it. It's none of my business. So I saw that he tackled her and did a great job and they got her cuffed rather quickly. This one took a longer time. And that was pretty much.
Do you know what the fight was about? Did you hear what it was about?
No, but I already suspect from Frontier. It's probably the world's dangerous job.
Right.
Frontier and Spirit ticket counter.
Right.
It's probably because they don't have their seat or they don't have they have to pay for the boarding pass or pay for the extra bag, pay for your backpack. It's all on the airline's issue, you know what I mean?
Okay.
But the officers approached smartly and then did a good job. And I just was worried about their safety. That's why I kind of hung out.
Okay, so you saw her throw the phone or the plastic thing.
I think it's the plastic.
Right.
Cut her in the face. When I looked, because it was going crazy, I was kind of minding my own business. I kind of just sitting on my bike like this, what's going on? That's when I seen the other girl go like this and instant blood coming from her face from the ticket counter lady.
Okay.
And then the officers were about right here. They finally approached as they're going ballistic. And then
did you see them attack the officers at all at any time?
Yeah, I did see the girl in the pink pants, the non-starter, became a fuel to the fire. She did, I would say she did, in my opinion, she attacked the two officers.
Two officers, yeah.
Yeah, and that's why I was this, I got, if she even went near that gun, I was going to attack her. Shit out of myself. So,
okay.
Yeah, so I would say yes. First of all, they attacked the officer here. The one girl by herself. She was nasty and spinning and kicking and everything, and they did everything kind of trying to stand off.
Right.
And so she was resisting arrest for sure and attacking assault on the officer, and then the other one was assault on two officers down on the ground and potentially could have been shot.
Okay.
I mean, if he didn't know the situation and you saw this thing and you saw a girl running after her and the way their guns were sticking up like this, she's coming from the back,
Okay.
So, but yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. And I know he has your name, so
Yeah.
good. I'll reach out to you if I need anything. Thanks,
Yeah,
Tim.
no problem. Easy day.
Thanks, bud.
Que si puedo caminar.
Where did you say we're going?
I'm getting the info. I'm getting her
Mira.
info now. What happened?
Ellos no entran para acá o
I have
ellos.
no idea.
Hello, there was passenger, it was a lot of witnesses.
E. Morrison. He is one of those TSA guys on a bike. That's his contact number. He heard a loud commotion, caught his attention. He looked over and saw the subject,
Pink. The one in pink.
the one pink, through unknown item. He didn't see what item it was.
This.
What is this stuff?
What's this called?
This.
Clipboard.
Display, plastic display?
Yeah.
display.
Sign display? Plastic sign display.
Exactly.
No, rescue is supposed to be coming.
Little unknown item at her face. Immediately saw blood coming from her face. Her Miami-Dade County officers arrived and saw the two subjects assisting. What else do you need, bro?
No, that's it, I guess. For now. She was being with them.
Okay.
She's got rate. She says you can't get a refund. You're the one's late. She was helping her friend that was polite and everything else, but then she goes, what, you're helping her get the refund? I go, you guys can't fly. She got crazy irate, grabbed one of these plastic signs, displays, and threw it, hit her right in the top of the nose, and then we had a TSA tied agent, heard the commotion, and when he started turning around, they came this way, saw the thing flying and hitting her in the face.
She threw shit at the counter. Then they came over. They calmed him down and they immediately off of me. And then they tried to do it nicely and they couldn't.
Got it?
Alright, good.
She's cuffed.
Like I'm cuffed. You talking about my cuff? You clearly see. How would you hurting me?
Relax.
Then stop punching my arm up. What's you? Give me my. Look, do you not see this? Do you not see this? You're trying to hurt my body on my mama.
Relax. Relax. Relax.
Get me off the ground. Give me my phone so I can call my mama.
You're not going to call no one for now, okay? Relax.
Hey Siri.
Relax.
Hey Siri. Get the for me. Get off me.
Hey, we're not
Get
going to get
off
off.
of
We're
me.
not going to get off you, okay? Relax.
Stop driving me.
You need to relax,
You
okay?
need to get the out of here.
Florida Statute Section 784.045 defines aggravated battery as causing great bodily harm. A thrown plastic sign holder can qualify if it causes real disfigurement, not just minor pain. The bleeding facial injury shown here supports that charge pending the treating physician's final assessment. Florida Statute Section 843.01 covers resisting an officer with violence. That statute requires actual physical resistance to a lawful arrest, not simply verbal refusal. Resisting without violence is only a misdemeanor. Adding physical force elevates it to a felony. Kicking, pulling away, and spinning against restraint each independently satisfy that felony element. Florida Statute Section 877.03 addresses disorderly conduct in public. That charge applies broadly to a chaotic scene, even without direct contact with an officer. A warrantless felony arrest requires probable cause, which witness statements and a visible injury can establish. The federal use of force standard comes from Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989. Force is judged from a reasonable officer's perspective in the moment, not with hindsight. Crime severity, immediate threat, and active resistance all factor into that legal judgment. A subject moving near a holstered firearm during a struggle raises the threat level sharply. That single detail can justify faster, harder control by the officers on scene. Officers may use only the force necessary to end resistance, not to punish it. Once a subject is handcuffed and controlled, continued force risks excessive force liability instead.
Oh, the victim.
Can you let go of my arm?
Let's take her outside so we know
Okay, then let go of my hand.
Listen, I'm not. Hey, relax. Okay, relax. Hey, relax. You relax. You're gonna move, or we're gonna move you. Hey, you're moving because we're telling you you're gonna move. Okay. That's my video right here. I'm taking
Okay,
it.
okay, what's your badge number? What's your badge number?
Relax.
You gotta give me that right. You gotta tell me your badge number.
It will be on the arrest warrant.
He is I'm relaxed. He's grabbing me, trying to hurt me.
You keep trying to pull away. Stop.
I'm not. You get, bro. I'm not that mother's grave. You finna rub me. Hey, all y'all pig ass, you a disgrace. You right, you. I swear to God, you're a disgrace. 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 I hate the police. All y'all some. I swear to God, y'all don't help nobody do nothing. All y'all. And you too. You want to be like these? Okay. Fuck you. Disgrace. Kiss my ass. And I'm gonna find out same day, so this is a waste of time. What's wrong with you?
Grading the encounter. Responding officers earn a B for restrained escalating force without drawing a weapon. The first subject earns a D for initiating the battery and later resisting officers. The second subject earns a D- for sustained physical resistance and hostility toward officers. First, requesting a badge number is a protected right, but physically resisting arrest is not. Second, a calm approach by officers does not lower the legal consequences once resistance turns physical. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more analysis of police and court interactions.